Good morning, everyone. This is Bagging on Stock Market Caddy. Today is September 27th at about 10 minutes of 10. Remember, amateurs, are trading the open. Okay, the pros, trade the close. So, and big fires burn out fast. In the meantime, while they're all, jumping all over themselves, getting all excited, oh boy, this stuff is cheaper than it was yesterday. I'm going to go buy me some. Then later today, it'll probably turn into the oh shit trade. What the hell did I just buy? While all that's going on, you're looking at a charting technique. See, we're multi-dimensional. We have, dozens of golf clubs. Unless you're that guy Shambo, he goes out. Well, he's still got many different clubs. They're all the same length, which is a little crazy. But we have, multi or a variety of clubs to hit, and we just let private members choose what it is they want to do, and we show them. This particular chart may look complicated to you, but it's all being done automatic, and it's really a great way to go. This is the Nasdaq, the NQ, a 5-point box. It's a Renko chart, and these lines being drawn. First, there's some channels. There are some reversal markers, some sell signals and buy signals, reversals. But we don't trade every single reversal. If you do, you would overtrade. But when you see this lighting up gold, what's happening is we have a program that we called Fibonacci World, and for those that particularly like to trade Fibonacci's, and what it's doing is it's measuring the Fibonacci's, the swing points from one point to another. Now, we don't know it's going to stop here just because it hits a gold Fibonacci. But what we do know is when we get a cluster, let me see if I can show you, when we get a cluster of Fibonacci's to a single point, and when those Fibonacci's turn out to be golden ratios, we know that we could be hitting a significant in terms of a short-term little top. Okay, and for anyone who says that you don't pick the tops and don't pick the bottoms, that's nonsense. That's what we do as traders, for God's sakes. We do this day in and day out. But so we'll take that into account, and then we also have this beautiful momentum tool, and this is one of ours called the SMC GPS combined, and it is fantastic. So give you, for instance, just here, this is an area where we're not buying, but we're looking to sell. And when we go from bright green to dark green, and right in here, so up in here, we're up against resistance. We got golden ratios. We have a reversal. We have the GPS telling us we might want to sell. Boom. These are 5 points. That's a lot of bread. Now, when we get down here, how do we know if it's not going to go further? Well, we don't know. But the GPS tells us we don't want to be selling down here. See, that's what amateurs do. They wait, and they sell in the hole. And now they're getting a lesson on that. But the GPS tells us, we want to be doing what? Probably buying. Look at all the support lines coming to this focal point. Look at the reversal signal, and some of these were golden ratios. So so what do we teach, or what would we be doing? We would have been buying a little bit in here, runs up, gets a little pullback, and then boom, and she's running. What are we doing now? Well, we're not buying, but we're not coming out either, on a short-term basis now, and just letting this baby run. What will be the next trade? The next trade, we don't know when it's going to be. This is the price action. It may run and run and run all day. I have no idea. But we'll get our heads up. We'll get our Fibonacci's. We'll get our reversal signal, and we'll get our GPS. 1, 2, 3, boom. Hit the club 150 yards, center of the green. Make your 2 putts, collect your $1,000, and get the hell off and go to the next hole. I'm bagging on at stockmarketcaddy.com. You like this sort of approach? Learning to play your game. We tweet various things out, but we're not tweeting out moves, for our members per se. I mean, we help and we mentor and we show some things and we're available, but we're about teaching everyone how to play their own game. Okay? We want you to play not just as good as us, feel free to play better than us. And we have had many a member, trust me, many a member that have gone on to do some phenomenal stuff in the markets. Once again, I'm bagging on stockmarketcaddy.com. Feel free to give us a call. Thanks.